How to create and verify Cash App account. Hey everybody, welcome back to Let Me Help. Today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create yourself a Cash App account and also get verified. First of all, make sure you have this Cash App installed in your device. Once done, tap on Open. At first, let us show you how you can create yourself a Cash App account. Once you launch your app, this is what it will look like. Now please enter your phone number or email address and tap onto Next at the bottom of the page. Then a verification or confirmation code will be sent to your email address or phone number. Just enter it below. This step is totally optional, but it will be easier if you add or link your bank card to your debit card. To do that, just type in your card number and tap onto Next, or you can just simply skip the process by tapping onto Skip. Then enter your first and last name and tap onto Next. Your Cash App will automatically generate you a cash tag. If you'd like to change it, just edit it. If not, tap onto Next at the bottom of the page. Then lastly, enter your zip code and tap onto Next. Once you do all that, this is what your home page will look like. Now to verify your account, tap onto the person icon on the top right. Here you will see your account, just tap onto Personal. Now it is mandatory that you give all your information such as your address, your country, and your other information. Now go back to your account page and under Accounts and Settings, you will see Limits. Tap Open that option. At this page, you can see how much money you can receive, send, and your total cash balance. Now, if you go ahead and check the article of how to verify your cash account, it will show you that when you're using Cash App, you are only able to send up to £250 within any 7 days period and receive up to £500 within any 7 days periods as well. And in case you exceed that limit, you will be prompted to verify your account with your full name, date of birth, and address. Just like so, this is how you get the work done. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will be back soon with more tutorials like this.